Hello, gentlemen. For today's lesson, what I would like you to do, I would like you to go to Style. Now, for those we've got 8 students approximately. If you're at school today and you are not one of the ones who has enrolled already, I want you to go to the styleapp.com website and /join and enter this class code here, because this is what will allow you to enroll in the class. So these people have enrolled already, and that's fine, but we've still got people who have not enrolled. So please go to this website and enter this class code. If you need to pause this and you can go on and do that, that's fine. Now, when we've done that, we want to go and have a look at what we're doing. And we are, of course, in a biology topic, and we're doing science. We're doing classification. Now you can have a look at these ones here, but we're actually up to living or non-living because last week in the lab we started to do the characteristics of living things. But certainly you're welcome to go through and have a look at these and answer these. It's an interesting video on why an interesting article, I should say, on why zebras have stripes. You could click on this and go and read that. Why do zebras have stripes? It's interesting. You can go and have a look at that. And you can work your way through these. It's a little bit of a video there. And you can do some of these activities that are here. They're fairly self-explanatory. Now, let me go there so you can work your way through there. Work your way through these. Career profile of a zoologist, which makes for interesting reading. And using L to identify wild animals. Now, we won't be able to brainstorm because I'm not there, but we can do this when we're in the lab. We can have a brainstorming session, but you can make notes, your own notes. Okay, you can generate your own ideas, and we can talk about those tomorrow when we will be doing some more classification activities. Okay, and you can use space to take notes about the video here. So you can work your way through those activities, and you do have some living or non-living here, which we started on last week when we were classifying between living and non-living and plant and animal. And you'll notice here there are some of the characteristics of living things that we went over last week. So you can make sure that, I'll go back to here, make sure that if you're not enrolled, you're not one of these students whose name is here, you can go through, please go to this website, Style, because we'll be doing some more of our theory work from this, and enter this code, and that will get you into the class. Now, if you've got a bit of time, we're then going to be looking at, in the textbook, we're going to be looking at 6.1, which is introduction and using classification. So you can have a read through these pages. These pages here, this is if you get time. And we spoke about a key and what is a strong key and what's not a strong key. It's very important when we classify, and we did a while ago, we did that classification of buttons according to a key. The keys, we had 3 different keys, and then we're going to be looking at doing questions 1 to 4 as we head through the week. So that's for today's lesson. all right, for today's lesson. So make sure that if you haven't enrolled, you go and enroll through here. Thanks, boys.